Myself is Priya and from the Department of Biochemistry from St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. Today I am going to share on the topic bioluminescence. So let's see what is the introduction of this bioluminescence. The bio means living in Greek and lumen means light in Latin. So during this process what will happen is the living organisms living inside the ocean or deep sea, it emits chemical energy which is converted into light energy. So of converting this light energy, it is able to capture the prey where it is found for its survival. So this process is caused by the enzyme catalyzed chemoluminescence reactions. And all bioluminescent organisms use a reaction between an enzyme and substrate to make light, but different species use different chemicals in this process. So what is bioluminescence? Let's see. The production of light by living organisms as a result of chemical reaction either within certain cells or organs or outside the cells in some form of excretion. Excretion which is emitted by them itself, by that organism itself. So that is produced by the compound luciferin and the enzyme catalyzed here will be the luciferase. So because of this enzyme only, this is eliminating light. This enzyme only helps in converting the chemical energy into light energy for its survival to capture prey. Then occurrence, let's see where it occurs. It occurs on land and in fresh water and rare compared to its occurrence in the ocean. And in the deep ocean, 90% of the animals are luminescent. And this bioluminescence is found throughout the ocean from surface to deep sea floor. And in most marine animals, they emit light, exhibit blue-green luminescence. And this bioluminescence on land grow mainly in blue-green colors, but they can also glow in colors on yellow spectrum also. So how it happens, let's see. The three ingredients for happening of this luminescence by the living organisms in the marine sea on Earth's atmosphere. So first one will be luciferin. So this luciferin is a protein like light producing substances. And for this, luciferase acts as an enzyme which allows the light producing chemical reaction to take place. In oxygen, it is colorless and odorless gas. Oxygen forms 20% of Earth's atmosphere and it is found in water. So in the presence of oxygen, the enzyme luciferase acts upon luciferin to produce energy, and this energy takes the form of light. So why are so animals in the ocean are luminescent? Let's see. So sunlight is dim or absent. At that time, they play an alternative way to communicate using light to catch prey for survival. And this bioluminescence play an important role in the ecology of the ocean, and it is completely dark environment. Light is important in this environment for its survival. Thus, bioluminescence may provide a survival advantage in the darkness of deep sea, ocean, helping organisms finding food, assisting in reproductive process and provide defense mechanism, as I told you earlier. Then what are the different bioluminescent organisms which is dwelling in the deep sea, oceans, etc. The first one will be the mushrooms and other fungi, and worms, and insects, lanternfish, jellyfishes, etc. So let's see one by one. So mushroom and other fungi. So foxfire, which is referred to the green glow light emitted by wood which is decaying mushrooms and other fungi in the submarine system. It was used as a light source for the early wooden submarine process, and they used luciferin eluting for bioluminescence, which is toxic to ingest. and worms, both terrestrial and marine worms that exhibit bioluminescence. Earthworm luminescence produced by the coelomic fluid and ranges from blue to orange depending on the species. And insects. So firefly is the most common terrestrial bioluminescence organisms which is giving illumination. A variety of firefly species are found in the temperate to tropical region of the Americas and part of Southeast Asia. So we can able to see the fly glittering. So that is mainly due to the um, luminescence. The next one. What is the uses of bioluminescence? So attracting prey. So attracting prey means food. By this illumination, or by this bioluminescent, it is able to see the prey where it is and found that prey, go near to it and catch it and it eat for its survival. So in that way, this bioluminescence is using, and this living organism is playing a vital role in defense mechanism also, and by that defense mechanism, it is able to survive also. So it plays a dual character in the submarine system. So that is the next one, defense mechanism. So the example for that living organism will be jellyfish, and that release bioluminescent chemical to confuse or detect predators. And then environmental monitoring. Environmental monitoring, it will be acting as a biosensor to detect pollution or toxins in ecosystem. So that is the environmental monitoring. So that is what it is said. That is, by using this bioluminescent bacteria, it can detect the pollution. That bioluminescent bacteria will act as a biosensors. Okay, so in that way it can be useful in the environmental processes. Thank you.